Good morning. This is Jack from Charting the Market to Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Tuesday, the 11th of February. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing, learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right. Okay, looking at the Bitcoin chart, looking at the weekly, we've got an RSI 14 sell signal fix, got an RSI 5 sell signal fix, and we've got a lovely looking double top, which at some stage in the next few weeks is likely to play out, and that could be sooner rather than later. We've got important support at the the week to middle band. I've got that at 88,941, and that is obviously very, very close to where the double top support is. So that is a key level which I'll be watching. On the daily charts, we are below the daily middle band and we're below the 50 DMA, more or less testing the 50 DMA at the moment. And I'm looking for, ideally, a test of the daily middle band. I've got that at 100,236, and at that point, we'll decide whether or not we're going to go higher or or going to go lower. And I have to say, at the moment, looking at this, I'm kind of leaning towards the lower. This could still be a bull flag, setting up a retest of 109.3, but I have to say it's not a very good quality flag at the moment. Could be a triangle also. I'm wondering whether we're just rallying a bit before heading down again. We will see. On Solana, well below the daily middle band, I've got that at 218.98. That's come down from 234 when I started watching that as a possible backtest target last week. Still thinking we may well see a test of that, but unless we start moving, we may actually find the daily middle band actually reaches the price in 3 or 4 days anyway, without actually the price needing to move much. I am thinking that we might be forming a bear flag. This would be A, B, C, but we're not seeing much sign of any movement to the upside so far. Looking at Ethereum, we've got the backtest of the daily middle band and the 200 DMA. In the daily middle band is at 29.68, 200 DMA is at 29.48, and I'm thinking we may well see that. Obviously, this was the weakest. This actually, I was warning before it broke down that unless we saw more movement upwards, we might break down towards this target here in the 2100 area. This is a key support area. I've got high, high, low, low, and now low. So this is probably the most important support area on Ethereum. So far that is holding, and I'm leaning towards it holding. This isn't a double top, it's just too big. So any target which has basically got a complete wipeout target, i.e. you lose almost 100% of the price, unless you're actually looking at something which is about to go bust, it's the sort of thing that very rarely makes target. On the hourly chart, not a lot to see. Wondering again about ABC, but there's very, very little conviction to the upside. I think we might just be marking time until this goes down again. We shall see. All right, great. In that case, that's a wrap. I will catch you guys again tomorrow.